Yo, okay. So Mr. Winford Williams on stage, I'm watching this interview, and Mr. Winford Williams asked the great bounty killer, him said, so wait a minute. There's no one out here that is currently hot in the game that is not from your bloodline, right? And him bring up Popcorn, him bring up Gully God, him bring up World Boss, then him bring up Alkaline. And him said, wait, so what about Alkaline now? Mr. Winfred Williams asked Bounty Killer, him said, what about Alkaline now? Say, Alkaline, your Bounty said, he is stealing cartel style. It still doesn't make him a part of our family. All Mr. Winfred Williams asks Killer is enough. What do you consider Alkaline to be? Is he a part of your family? Is he from the bloodline? Bounty basically I said, no, he couldn't be from my bloodline. He must steal cartel style. That's still not going to make him a part of our family. So, him just bastardize the youth or what? As SouFLoTV people come and talk about it. Bounty Killer, yo, I love Bounty Killer, you know. Yo, big up to Bounty. Bounty said, if you talk about Sting, right? And he said, if you don't have a presentation, leave it alone and then come back again. Because last year, the people them don't want to see that little wishy-washy, flishy-flashy sitting there, you know. Like, last year presentation, that damaged the show. This year, it seems like it's going to be worse. And by next year, Sting going to be lying in a hearse. Yo, so Killer say, yo, Sting dead. Sting done. Sting, Welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It is your host with the most. So this one today, we'll come to talk about a few things. Like, for instance, we'll come to talk about... Let me start off by saying this, though. I was just watching On Stage, right? The episode where... Bounty Killer latest on stage episode with Mr. Winford Williams. Big up, big brother, Mr. Winford Williams. You think always a shot? Alright, so Killer was on and Killer bring out a new artist. Me not even catch him name. Me hear the song though. No consignment is only cash alone. No consignment is only cash alone. I don't know. Me don't know. But again, Killer back him. Killer is a man who me respect to the fullest to where if me not have nothing good for say, I would rather not say it at all. Not to say that he is outside of scrutiny, but I would rather not say it. So, come Mr. Killer back, another suspect person, which is Safari, Nicki Minaj ex-boyfriend. And I think it was on the Sumfest 2016 stage where he bombed. And Killer was behind that. But anyway, moving right along, right? The whole topic today was about Bounty Killer came out and said it outright. Him said, the young youth, yeah, Alkaline, a thief, cartel style. Alright? He said it. He said it outright. Now, Killer said many other things, though, that I would like for us to actually put into perspective and take into, my voice crack like, and take into consideration. Like, for instance, him said the man a thief, cartel style, right? Him said that him thieving cartel style does not make Alkaline their family member. That means that Alka get kicked out. He is not a part of the fraternity, or he's not a part of the family, so to speak. Him on a bloodline, right? He went on to talk about Shabaranks and Buju and how they influenced him, Bounty Killer, and he was saying that them influence him so much, it is like for every artist. But the person who influenced you, you're going to hear their influence in your music, right? Or you're going to see similarities in your appearance, your mannerisms, and these kinds of things. But some people fling a big rock stone, that's a Killer. We know say I the youth here talk still, Alkaline. But Killer says some people, like for one, like say, oh, I went to sleep and I dreamt about all this music and stuff, and I woke up and it just happened, right? Which I know so the thing work. You are influenced or imitating or one of them, as the man said. So take it however which way you want to say it. Bounty Killer officially said it out of his own mouth that yes, Alkaline is thieving Vybz Kartel style. Now we know already, say, this is an old topic. It's been beat to death. And Alkaline also has come into his own by now. Him thieving a fight in the earlies. Imitated, whatever way you want to call it. But he's come into his own now. And even though there are still remnants of cartel in his thing. Alright? we're going to move on from that. One more thing before I move on from that, though. People are going to say, always I call up the young youth, name son, this and that. Understand this. That youth there get promotion if me I call up him name. You hear me I say? And it's not like he needs SouFLoTV promotion, but he does. In other words then, I'm not speaking anything negative about him. I'm basically regurgitating what the hell was said by an icon like Bounty Killer, and this might be information that others want to hear. Okay? Now, let's move on to another aspect of this. The man said, listen, and again, Killer is, and this is why I'm saying like Bounty Killer, because Bounty does not even exclude himself. You understand? So Bounty Killer was saying that this job in the entertainment field, you as an entertainer must realize, say, you are pretty much public property. Like, you put yourself out there, you say you want to be famous and do this entertainment thing. So you must understand, say, you are now at the mercy of the people. Them can say whatever they want to say about you, and they're going to be saying whatever, all things where you will never know about yourself. Right? Correctly put. So, you, if you don't like it, go get a 9 to 5 in a little office cubicle where nobody knows you and you can do your job in peace. And I totally agree. So for those of you who are going to say something about alkaline, you have me call up the youth name because it was relevant to this part of the show today. Alright? Bounty went on to say stuff about Popcorn and the Movado beef. And remember, SouFLoTV did a video on this, and I said these very same things a couple of months ago. Was it a month ago or 2 months ago when they did the whole kickoff between Movado and Popcorn, where I said, right, that the people want to see the negative. Yes, it's December and Stinger come and we are look for a good clash. And me say already, so I love the clash culture thing. As long as the two DJ them where clash can let the people know that, hey, this is strictly musical and an war thing, and we're not going to see each other and run down and pull each other up a shot in the streets. That way, we don't have fans going at fans with violence in real life, right? So, we were engaged in the whole Movado Popcorn banter for a little bit. Here is what the dads, Bounty Killer, said. This is to show you, and it's funny enough because I was just about to do a show on how they love the negativity so much, right? People love the negativity so much they show no support to the positive. Actually, the last video I did, which you will be seeing, was talking about why reggae music run gone left Jamaica, or is it Jamaica that has left reggae music? Because we seem to have gravitated towards all the negative and left the positive over there. So, while other people outside of Jamaica have taken the positive, harnessed it, and they're the ones that are making actually a killing off of it, right? So, in my talk about champagne fly, I'm feeling high. Remember when Popcorn did that song? Now, Bounty is saying, how come everybody never jump up and say, yo, Popcorn and Movado do a song? Oh my God, this is bad. Put it out there, bad. Download it, ringtone, sell it. How come all the DJ and selector them never jump behind it and play it and push it out there in the people them face? How come it did not get no kind of support? It went down quietly. And Bounty is saying a tune like that, champagne. Remember that song there? How Bounty is saying that a song like that with the proper push could have done something for us. If anything, a song like that could have given us a Billboard charting, right? A song like that could have put money in our pocket for years and years to come and put money in our picnic them pocket and them kind of something there. Leave a legacy behind. But no one gave that any support. But as soon as Movado said, oh, him step cross the father gonna murder the son, and as soon as Popcorn say you're dirty dread, and the two of them start disrespect each other, and he even went on to say that it was an uneven matchup because Popcorn is so younger than Movado. A Popcorn and a Vibes Cartel going at it. Killer said, that's how the thing did for that. And that's how it did for that. You know what I mean? I said, no, that is even. Right? But a Popcorn going against a Movado, that's an uncle. I go against a nephew. You know what I mean? I said, aligning that they are his children because the whole conversation started about his bloodline and his sons. And his sons musically were Movado and Cartel. And Movado and Cartel, two brothers did a war. Right? But so the children of Movado is kin to the children, musically speaking, of Vibes Cartel. So I want a Movado children them Popcorn stood on a war, if anything. and Mavado should not be warring with the little youth. But he must say, the thing was all uneven in the beginning, but bigger than that, it's the negativity that everybody supports. The people them supported, the DJ them not top playing at the people them ears because them feel that that is what is good for us, and Bounty Killer is telling us that that is not what is good for us. It now pass out at airport, that's all. Few little man here and there overseas I got play it in some little party and them thing there, and that's all it's going to do. It now fly off of the shelf, them it now sell no ringtone, no iTunes, download album, nothing. It's not doing anything for the music, taking the music globally. All it is doing is stifling the music and allowing others to use our music in the way that it would be accepted internationally. You know what I mean? And they end up making a killing off of it instead of our artists them. So it was a big old fight down thing, right? So he must say, yeah man, the Cartel and Mavado thing, and that's what that did for that. But as you can see, this is where Cartel is at the moment, and Vado their road. So anything and anything, right? So them can pick up and dash for that whenever them feel like it, and these kinds of things. Man, this interview right here, I want you to go to On Stage, and I want you to look up Bounty Killer's most recent interview on Stage, because he said some more things on there. He spoke about Donald Trump's presidency. He spoke about Jamaica wanting, the people of Jamaica needing, I want to answer a question, I want to ask a question here. Did Bounty Killer just show support for Donald Trump? Or is he saying, using it as an analogy to draw? He must say, this is what Jamaica needs. The mystery man sneaking upon them. He must say Donald Trump win the election and nobody never expected a character like that to win the election, right? But this is what Jamaica needs, because the people in America, he's saying, were tired of politics. And the politicians them have a political way of acting, right? So the people are tired of it. They want a regular man that is concerned about the regular people. They no longer want politicians that are more concerned about politics than they are about the people. So nothing's going on in the interview, people. You're going to look up the interview, Bounty Killer as usual. I can see where Vybz Kartel get this from. This brash, rawness, this gully, hood, street, and still keep it so real, teaching intellectually but ghetto at the same time. Mr. Big up Bounty Killer every time, you know, and I said big up On Stage and big up Mr. Winfield Williams every single time. See, it's SouFLoTV, man. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm out of here. And Mr. Big up Alkaline, same way, even though Bounty Killer say you're thief cartel style and you're not a part of the family. Me don't know. See it there. I'm out. Peace. I saw.